I have plus past participle. I have slept well. I have taken a nap. I have sung a song. I have fed the cat. I have gone hiking. I have played golf. I have gone fishing. I have played chess. I have eaten dinner. I have visited a zoo. I have played soccer. I have baked cookies. I have played tennis. I have donated blood. I have gone swimming. I have taken a shower. I have walked to work. I have cleaned my car. I have written a poem. I have written a song. I have painted a room. I have mowed the lawn. I have visited a park. I have played frisbee. I have practiced yoga. I have sent a package. I have gone for a walk. I have helped a friend. I have watched a movie. I have prepared dinner. I have done my laundry. I have solved a puzzle. I have visited a beach. I have planted flowers. I have visited a friend. I have cooked breakfast. I have written an email. I have bought groceries. I have written a budget. I have played badminton. I have called my friend. I have played ping pong. I have painted my nails. I have visited a museum. I have ridden a bicycle. I have played volleyball. I have washed the dishes. I have painted a picture. I have listened to music. I have taken a bike ride. I have fixed a flat tire. I have cleaned the house. I have made a cup of tea. I have played basketball. I have tried a new hobby. I have called my parents. I have played a card game. I have tried a new recipe. I have attended a concert. I have donated to charity. I have watered the plants. I have attended a wedding. I have vacuumed the house. I have built a sandcastle. I have watched a TED Talk. I have folded the laundry. I have completed a puzzle. I have assembled a puzzle. I have trimmed the hedges. I have taken a photograph. I have finished a project. I have visited a new city. I have sent a text message. I have written a blog post. I have played a board game. I have played a video game. I have visited the library. I have organized my closet. I have played a video game. I have learned a new skill. I have attended a car show. I have studied for the exam. I have gone for a bike ride. I have visited a local farm. I have written a short poem. I have exercised at the gym. I have written a to-do list. I have fixed a broken chair. I have watched a documentary. I have watched a comedy show. I have written a love letter. I have written a short story. I have assembled a model kit. I have tried a new hairstyle. I have tried a new hairstyle. I have written in my journal. I have played a game of pool. I have watched a travel vlog. I have visited a planetarium. I have watched a sports game. I have written a diary entry. I have changed the light bulb. I have played a game of darts. I have visited the local market. I have cleaned out the garage. I have tried a new restaurant. I have visited the art gallery. I have tried a new dance move. I have fixed a leaking faucet. I have watched a fashion show. I have finished my assignment. I have tried a new hair color. I have written a birthday card. I have tried a new type of tea. I have explored a hiking trail. I have written a journal entry. I have written a list of goals. I have tried a new makeup look. I have visited my grandparents. I have attended a sports match. I have written a shopping list. I have played a game of bowling. I have volunteered at a shelter. I have visited a science museum. I have written a research paper. I have written a thank you note. I have tried a new type of dance. I have attended a music festival. I have written a thank you email. I have organized a charity event. I have visited the amusement park. I have written a poem about love. I have sorted through old photos. I have visited a historical site. I have tried a new fashion trend. I have attended a poetry reading. I have tried a new dessert recipe. I have written a travel itinerary. I have volunteered at a food bank. I have played a game of mini golf. I have attended an art exhibition. I have watched a live performance. I have watched a cooking tutorial. I have organized my computer files. I have written a poem for a friend. I have finished a crossword puzzle. I have tried a new restaurant dish. I have assembled a furniture piece. I have tried a new workout routine. I have written a poem about nature. I have watched a sports match live. I have played a musical instrument. I have played a musical instrument. I have written a review for a book. I have cleaned out the refrigerator. I have volunteered at a local event. I have watched a nature documentary. I have written a motivational quote. I have donated clothes to a charity. I have tried a new skincare routine. I have played a game of table tennis. I have written a guide for budgeting. I have watched a theater performance. I have volunteered at a nursing home. I have tried a new cooking technique. I have tried a new fashion accessory. I have written a motivational speech. I have written a personal reflection. I have watched a fashion runway show. I have tried a new painting technique. I have organized a charity fundraiser. I have watched a wildlife documentary. I have written a recommendation letter. I have volunteered at an animal shelter. I have written a motivational blog post. I have watched a historical documentary. I have written a guide for DIY projects. I have tried a new meditation technique. I have tried a new photography technique. I have watched a live comedy performance. I have tried a new language learning app. I have volunteered at a homeless shelter. I have volunteered at a community garden. I have visited a local theater production. I have tried a new type of exercise class. I have written a short story for children. I have written a short story for teenagers. I have volunteered at a beach cleanup event. I have volunteered at a children's hospital.